walk you through how to change email in Instagram. First thing you do is open up your Instagram app, and then you tap on your profile account at the bottom. Next, tap on the three line at the top right corner. Then you tap on account center. Next, you tap on personal details. After tapping on personal details, next thing you're going to do is tap on. So after tapping on personal details, next you tap on contact information. Next, you tap on add new contact. Then you tap on add email. So you put in your new email and tap on next. Enter the confirmation code that is sent to your new email address and tap on next. That's how to change it using your Instagram app. Now if you're using a web browser, simply open a web browser, go to instagram.com. So log into your account, click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner, click on edit profile, then you update the email address in the field, click on submit. Don't forget to check your email for a confirmation link and click on it to complete the update. Note that you may need to verify your identity by entering a security code sent to your old email address or phone number. I hope this helps you. So if you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.